1 second. Alright, there we go. And next up is turning on my streaming playlist. Alright, next step is opening up Visual Studio. My favorite song. You're my favorite person. It's an F. I don't think we need New Horizons for this. Let me make sure we don't need it. The fuck? Okay then. I also have a 2-liter Coke bottle that I got because I got Domino's. There was 40% off on a large pizza, so I said, fuck yeah. Ooh, there's a new update. I mean, clearly there was because this. But yeah, I wonder what the updated is. Let's find out. Let's go! Oh wait, on remote mods, I see. Okay, that's cool. Anyways, we want to disable my current mod. And instead, let's look up Achievements Plus. Custom mod achievements. So does this require anything? It doesn't. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we can create our mod not using New Horizons. Create. And also do this now. Okay, so we just need to add overrides to some things. So we can now open up this and open this up. And from here, we just need to take this. Let me look back at my mod that I created because I already forgot how to do this. Did I have to add in anything about Ghost Matter Patch? I don't think I did. Doesn't look like it. Okay, yeah. It doesn't look like I need to add it, so if I do overwrites, it should literally just be as easy as just adding new stuff. Speaking of, fuck Visual Studio, we're gonna use VS Code because it is better. VS Code is superior. I only use Visual Studio because it's the only way to create this easily, at least. Open folder. desktop, outer craft, outer wilds messages, and we should only have to open up this. Okay, there we go. And now we go into here to do this. And all we have to do is click the run and not run. How did I have to do this again? There's a way to build. Am I forgetting something? Oh wait, it's right here, I think. This is how I build, right? It's one of these. Build. There it is. Okay, so yeah, we just right-click on the CS Proj, and we should be good. Okay, so we can now click here, click add, and we're going to add a new thing called so we're calling it this because that will be easier, and I think okay, I need to look. So what did I do in here again? And then I did namespace. Okay, cool. And so we're gonna delete some of this because it's actually not necessary. But let me open up this on a different window, not window, but my other screen. Okay. So hazard detector is probably what we want to go with, I think. So let's look at hazard detector to make sure that's true. Generic damage per second, heat damage, fire damage, sand, electricity. Okay. So yeah, we can check different types of deaths using... So you want to say... In our patch, we want to say type of... And it's going to be hazard detector. Name of is going to be hazard detector and not on death, but probably update. Let's make sure that's true. So right now I'm looking through hazard detector. So we just need to on hazards update. So I see, this just connects. This isn't the actual hazard CSS script, I think. Yeah, this is not the original hazard detector script, so to find that, we need to go into... Well, there's actually a plugin I could get, but I don't feel like getting it. So we're gonna do... here, 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 and then assembly C#, I think. And we should be able to find hazard detector in here, but let's also actually check for player. So let's open this up and see what's in here. So on destroy, this would be when we die, I think. Attach. Set position, give velocity. On attach, player to point, player from point, ship. Okay, so none of that. One thing I will also have to override is something else, but we're going to do that later. Impact rule set. What's this? Interesting. Noisemaker. Wait, what is this for? Aha, I see what that's for. Interesting. Sector detector, player spawner, player state. Aha, so this is where all this stuff is. Oh my god, I can fix a bug in this game. There's a bug that I want to fix, but I don't know if I can fix it. Oh my dear Lord Jesus. Death type. Oh, there's a death type? Wait. Add listener player death on player death. Player state on player death is dead equals true. Okay. Fair enough. Player resurrection is dead false is resurrected. Oh, so that's probably... There's probably another listener for that then. Oh, I see now. So when you die, it does all of this. And then when you respawn, it adds these back. Okay. So this is the type. Death type. Okay. Let's see if we can find death type anywhere else.
Thank you for leading the charge. Thank you. And first and foremost, thank you for keeping the mid off the streets. You're a part of that.
Death manager and death type. Aha! So we have all these different types. Quite interesting. I wonder what default is. I see. So what is Death Manager used? It's not used in here, this is just an enum. Interesting. Wait, this is an override. Wait, is this an override? Oh wait, that's why. Okay. That's what I called that, okay. Let's see. Kill player, death type, is death type. Okay then. So we need to see where else this is called. It's only called once? Damn it. Okay. 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 New idea. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna do a new window, open folder. And we're gonna go into here, 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 and select folder. And we should be able to search all of the OW tools. Utilities, game objects. Interesting. None of that seems Starfield. Cause every art is just another altercation. Cause D-Bangs came to cash shame and cremated. So just be patient. I'm a victim for lack of payment. I'm strangling every layman, leaving them aimed in the basement. Niggas throwing shade on almost every occasion. So I'm laying niggas out like it's my fucking occupation. Sorry, no more waiting. Introducing the rap messiah. I came to fuck the game in the ass and set it on fire. I never got thank yous from those I inspired. I'm a god, you niggas sweeter than criminals lacking priors. Oh shit, I'm back in action.
caution, be cautious. I just flew to your city to knock all your niggas unconscious. Snitched on me, but you still in back of the cop whip. They let me go cause D-Bangs is constantly dropping hot shit. I just do a mic check and then it's time to kill. Hit a quick flex, even though my wrist is timeless still. Or you can say iceless, I'm nice with chopping niggas heads like the embodiment of ISIS. After the fact, man is back to fighting indictments. I finger fuck the judge in the ass to feel enlightened. So don't be frightened, it's the Mr. Full of excitement. I pull up to my last show strapped and uninvited with 7 goons overtaking your whole platoon. Bitches thought that I was famous, I had songs on iTunes, you damn fools. Always was more attracted to white queens with good hygiene and asses that appear to be wiped clean. Damn, huh, nigga, you built like a pint of lean.
Okay, I think something I could do instead of type of, here, we're gonna do type of death manager, and we're gonna do death manager dot death type, what was it again? Get death type, get death type. What am I missing? I came to leave the rap world in disposition. Stay out my kitchen, cause I'm close to erupting. I done down so many 40s, my body can't even function. But nah, it's nothing. So instead, I came to burn and slaughter these cats, so call me Mama Button. That's right, I'm judging the executioner and begging his white ass to not send me to Lucifer. I'm not a beggar. Def Jam just sent me a letter saying we already got Kanye, but D-Bangs is better. So please accept the check, because D-Bangs is a god. Death manager dot death type, maybe? Let's see, how did I do it in here again for my override? Instance, oh yeah, we want to do instance. That's right. And we want to set it to underscore death type. Okay, got it.
But I basically already put y'all on. He's already the best rapper, XXL, 2K18. Yeah, basically best rapper alive, D-Bangs.
Oh well, I'm failing. All my endeavors slip right through my fingers flailing. Still one crooked thought, it never fails to linger in my mind, like a moldy rotten rind on the ground without a vine. Could I already be past my prime? Whoa, now I'm falling, and the debtors and collectors, they keep calling. Will I ever reach a comfortable plateau? Man, I don't know. Cause the urge to leave my mark, it still grows. It never slows. Well, that's all for now. It's time to start the show. Here we go. And now I'm elated.
Actually, I shouldn't have to do that.
Great day I participated. Could it be that I was fated for more?
I think we only need this. And I should be able to just do... Shit. Okay, never mind. Oh wait, wouldn't I just have to do, yeah, no, never mind, just add it back.
One, two, three, four, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it drop right here, right? They homies.
Oh, kitty.
I've been making moves, I done make the news. All the kids is brainwashed, sipping on the cool, crippin' like a fool, gripping on the tool. I'm a short shot when I shock her like a boom. My game not boom, my name not fool. Gay I'm Jay-Z from Downey to Susanna, baby. The money done changed me. Gang banging out, but I'm still gang banging. Every time you hear my mouth, caught a case for my 38. I was in and out, bought a vase for my dinner space. Magistrate cops, why your neck look like a freezer, but you sleeping on my Kia? Boy, it wouldn't wanna be if the DA struck me out. Dead homies, bread on me, and Kenny Beats is the police.
Oh, whoops.
Kenny Beats is the police. He's my one white homie. Dead homies, white homies. Kenny Beats is the police. If Kenny Beats is the police, then I don't fuck with the police, nigga.
Shit. Okay, then what is the best way of doing this?
Distraught, what's the motivation? Oh, how the fleeting years they pass you by. So
Yeah, we do have to connect it to mod behavior then,
shut down, difference in
but I can't.
sick will for retribution. Your distant cries could never last. This time, the trick's on you. Knocked down by Jumbo. Locked and loaded, we can't surrender. Maybe this will be our time. Last man standing, the last contender. This new blood will never die. Bad news, searching for a victim. On a mission to find a cure for your complex. On your own. Build 'em up, only to cut down. Always needing someone new to burn at the stake. All alone. This time, the trick's on you. Knocked down by Jumbo. Locked and loaded, we can't surrender. Maybe this will be our time. Last man standing, the last contender. This new blood will never die. And I don't know when new days will take us, but you're better left behind. And I don't know when new days will take us, but you're better left behind. Locked and loaded, we can't surrender.
What?
Maybe this will be our time. Last man standing, the last
Fix the damn mod? What is this? Oh, get the extension, get a rigid body. That's quite interesting. So this returns something, which means it is called elsewhere. It is not called elsewhere. Unless this is called elsewhere. Nope. Okay. Cool. To be fair, this is just an override as far as I know. God damn it. Fuck off, Slate. Nice. Oh my god. Light puzzle, prisoner patch, real fix. Oh my god! You know something else I just realized? This just returns a number. God damn it. So this is my idea. it would be cool if mods that add their own death types. So if like you make a mod, digestion, if you make a mod and added your own custom death type, I want my mod to just automatically be able to, like, it would be cool if my mod acted more like an API, sort of like how the achievements mod works. Because the idea is when the screen fades to black, but before the Nomai statue or Nomai mask shows up on the screen, there's going to be text that shows up on the screen that just says, "Oh yeah, you died, dumbass." But I don't know how to do that. So I need to figure that out. Set. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, no, that's fine. So yeah, dt equals this, and then we want to print death type dt to our console for now. So message type does not exist in current context, and then this. Better idea. Not that. I think I need to go to plug it. No. You. Oh, I actually need to, Huh. That's not gonna work. Shit. I have to activate LM Studio for that to work, and I don't feel like turning it on right now, so, yeah, we're gonna ignore that. So this doesn't work because we have to add this. So how do I write line in an easier way? I have an idea. Oh, I see. Fuck. Huh. Alright. Option 2. Wow, this is very few. This is very small. Probably because it's all inside of here. Or not. What? Interesting. Okay, well, none of that matters. because all I really need is... Do they not override anything? That can't be possible. They have to have overrides. How is that possible? Okay. This one has to have overrides, right? I swear to God, if it doesn't, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. Okay. I'm gonna lose it. I think this is one that I looked at. I don't think this is one that I looked at. Okay, interesting. So this doesn't even have... Unless it's in here? Please? You motherfucker. Okay. This is gonna be a pain in my ass. Please, for the love of God, have what I need. Oh, that's interesting. I can actually see the chat. Sorry, I'm coding. Let me see if I can figure out why the actual chat box isn't working. Oh wait, never mind. It is working. Okay, it's working. Sorry about that. I'm just coding and trying to figure things out right now. Let's see. Public void override. Come on, give me what I need, motherfucker. None of this is what I need. God damn it. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Okay. Better idea. I'm pretty sure I can just take what I did in here with this, and I can just take this and redo it in here. So if I just do this, Harmony patch, and it should actually just be Death Manager if I remember correctly. So it should be type of Death Manager, or not type of, it should be name of. Nope, it's type of, and then the name of is this. Right, that's how that works. No, that's not how it works. There we go. It's 3:22 a.m. for me. But I had this idea for a mod for Outer Wilds that will, like, show a death message like it's Minecraft whenever you die. And I found out I had a feeling this would be the case, but as it turns out, because of the different sounds based on the way that the player dies. So based on the way the player dies, the game will actually use different sounds. And therefore, I was able to realize, oh, the game already has a built-in way of seeing the ways that that player has died, so all I have to do is make a list of possible messages based on the different ways a player can die. And then I just need a way to show those messages, and at the moment I'm going to use mod help console, so I'm just going to write it to the console, but I'll figure out a way to add the text to the player's screen after they die. Okay, so for this now what we need to do is... Yes, so we need to make this a postfix. So we need to make that a postfix, and we want to set it to death manager underscore underscore instance. And now we do underscore underscore instance dot death type underscore death type. There we go. And now we want to create a variable that we will call death type new. Or save? Let's do that. Equal. Or I think we just do this. I think I should be able to just do death type. Right? I think I should just be able to do that. Nope, okay, I have to do this. Okay, so we're gonna do death. Oh, that's what I need to do. It's been so long since I coded in C#, dude. So we need to create a public static death type and call it death type. And then down here we say death type equals this. And then we do mod helper.console write player died of type death type message type equals .info, and that should be good. This is saying there's an error. Of course there is. For the non-static field, an object reference is required for the non-static field method or property. I don't know what that means. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Okay. I guess it's because I called this public static postfix. Okay, there has to be a different way of doing this then. So when this gets updated, I want to get the death type, and then I want to be able to print that here. So what if I make it a non-static? I'm pretty sure that's going to cause issues because for this, I believe it has to be static, if I remember correctly. Because if we go to the outer wilds mod, or it's outer wilds, OWML wiki, I think. Oh, there it is. Yeah, because if we look at this, this should, yeah, the mod helper. There we go, that's what I was looking for, is patching. So we do a harmony patch, public class. So yeah, we make a new class, is how they have it. And this way I would actually be able to do it. Okay. Death manager, kill player prefix. So that's for checking if the player's dead, so I can actually just rework this to work the way that I want it to. So if we take what I did here and just get rid of it. And now, right here, we do this. Now we replace my cool mod. Can it not be in the same namespace? Oh, that's why. There we go, problem solved. Okay, now we change this to be outer craft death messages. Dot instance. Oh, is that all I had to do? Oh, am I just stupid? I might just be stupid. Oh, nice. I might check out that mod then. That sounds pretty neat. We can actually get the death type from here. Apparently in Death Manager there's a kill player thing, which gets death type. So I think we should be able to just get death type this way. Yes, we can, baby! Alright, so from kill player, we should be able to do instance. I should be able to pull from kill player. It's called God of War Lore Ascension. Nice. Let's see. They probably have a version of this that allows. Want to prevent it from happening entirely? Oh, we can skip so the player can't die if we say return false. Okay, I see how that works. But now let's say, so underscore instance state index. Change quantum state. Okay. So yeah, we just need to say death manager. So inside of here, we just want to do death manager underscore instance. That should work. Oh, instance. And now we just yeah, okay, that's all we have to do. Oh wait, they actually have something already. They literally already have something already for this. I hate everything. They literally already had something for this. I'm so fucking stupid. Death type, death type. I love it when I'm stupid. Did somebody already make this mod then? 1 second. Has anybody made a mod about death messages already? Am I just stupid? I can't find anything. There's only permadeath and then this. I'm just gonna hope nobody's done it. So now we just literally add this line right here. And that would be good enough to test. So all I have to do now is right click on this and build. There we go, it's built. And if I open this up, we should see my mod has loaded. So now I can test it. And I'm gonna add something real fast for you guys. So we have this little thing right here. I'm gonna see if I can add something to show the log for you. Huh. It doesn't seem to be showing up. Well, that fucking sucks. Okay, I have another way of doing this then. I think. I believe window capture. OW log. Select a window to capture. There it is, baby. Well, that's not what I want. There we go. Problem solved. Okay, so we can now have the log open. Let me resize it a little bit and pull it down. I'll move it like over here, behind my head. Hello, game. It froze. Though I'm not seeing any error messages yet. Oh, there we go. It's good now. Ugh. I love coding. Unironically, I actually really do love coding. I literally make random mods, and, well, not mods, I make random applications all the time. This is my first time ever modding. Because modding has something that's always terrified me. Because you're literally working with somebody else's code. Okay, so the plan is to crush myself and see what the log says. So, we're gonna do this. We're gonna hop down. And we're gonna die. Crushed by elevator. The player died because of crushed by elevator! Exclamation point. Okay, let's see if that makes sense. Ooh, let me check this real fast. I want to see what it looks like. Oh, that looks pretty nice. You should send another image of, like, the actual gameplay. But that looks pretty nice already, just from the main menu. Okay. Gotta wait through this game. Okay, quit out. Huh. That is quite interesting. Null reference exception. I don't believe I have anything that asks about Quantum Moon on disable, so that must be something in the game itself. Okay, now that we know that this works, I need to figure out how to add my own text to the game. So here's something that adds text to the game. Let's see how they added this text. Okay, so this should be the one that I probably want to look at. HUD font. HUD font equals resource.load font at font English Latin space mono. Okay, so that would be this. So I guess I could just use this font myself, the same way that they use it. Void start, load save file. I shouldn't have to load the save file. It also replaces all 5 costume new ones. Nice. So mod loaded, graphics setting update, add listener for graphics setting update. Global listener wake up, on wake up. We need the wake event to reload our event list because we're going to remove expired items from the list as they pass. Oh, I see, that makes sense. Okay, so void on GUI is called for rendering and handling GUI events by Unity. Okay. So I only want my HUD to appear. Or not my HUD, but my text to appear in front of the player. Oh, I see. Okay, GUI.label equals a new rectangle. Damn, they built the entire HUD in code. That's a lot. That's a lot to code. I mean, really, it's not. Let's see, how do they do text? Timestamp. Revar timestamp. Count up, time elapsed, time remaining. So if we look back at this is our time relapsed. So how about loading, let's see, elapsed equals time.loop get seconds elapsed. What's time.loop? Get display set. Add event. Save. Add event. Text. Okay, so when is add event? And what is this save property? I see, okay. Oh, I see, okay. Okay, I see how this works. Okay. So how do they get the exposition? Okay. Well, for now, instead of trying to figure out how to add text to the screen, I think I'm just going to create a list of death types, or death messages. Public, static, list, string. Death messages equals new list string. Oh, I think we actually want to do a dictionary. And the dictionary will be of type, yeah, death type, comma, list? Can I do a list? Of strings. Fuck yeah. Wow. That is pretty fucking ugly. Death type does not contain. Yes, it does. It contains. Oh, it doesn't contain fall damage, does it? It contains impact. Wait, what about drowning? Oh, that would probably be asphyxiation. Oh, that's gonna suck though, because that means... Oh, I have an idea for asphyxiation then, actually. I don't know what energy is, but let's add energy. I need to figure out what all these death types are. I know what supernova is. Wait, what's the difference between supernova and Big Bang?
I made her suck the dust off the tip, nigga. I'm in the whip. My Uber pool doing 85 down the strip. Everybody know that I'm a fucking crip.
Digestion. I know what that one is.
Yeah, I used to give respect to my mommy, but now I don't. Every time she come in the crib, I say, bitch. She say she gonna whip me. I say, no, you won't.
Bro, you're done, bro.
My mama tried to whip me. My daddy tried to kiss me. Everybody Everybody out here think that I got shot like 50, but no, I didn't. I used to be a blood, now I'm crippin'. Yeah, I'm false claiming. I used to watch Vampire Diaries, Team Damon.
Oh, there is actually a black hole. Wait, how can you die from a black hole? Wait, which death is that?
I think so.
All right, we putting that on Spotify.
Oh, let me look at this image now.
Tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
Zach, come out of the booth, bro. You're done, bro.
Huh?
You're done rapping, bro.
What?
Damn, that actually looks pretty nice.
Rapping.
Why?
This episode is not supposed to go like this.
Okay. Back to coding. Death type, there is no cold. Death type, dot.
Bro, you just rapped for 8 minutes.
Hey, Elon Musk.
Lava. What else is there? Dear Lord Jesus, there's so many death types. I don't think there's a death type for electrocution. There is indeed not. Wait, what is default then? What is death type default? Because meditation's its own thing. What is the difference between time loop and supernova? Dude, I don't know what the difference between these death types are, and I'm too afraid to ask at this point.
Fuck this shit, nigga. I'm finna go work with murder.
Wait, what's the difference between... I guess... Wait, isn't there sand? Am I stupid? Isn't there sand? I could have sworn there was a sand death type. I am stupid, there is no sand death type. Okay, so I should have 13 lists. Have I done meditation? I have not. Have I gotten crushed? I have not gotten crushed yet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 14 types, so I've ignored one, which I believe is default, because I don't know the difference. I don't know what default is. I feel like I could probably get rid of supernova. I don't know. Wait. Oh, there's 15 because it's 0 through 14. Because I also ignored... Where is it? Big Bang. I ignored Big Bang, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I don't have Big Bang in here. How do you die from the black hole? How the fuck do you die to a black hole? Whatever, man. I don't give a shit. Let's get rid of this first one, because that doesn't make sense. It was Lost in Time is kind of... Oh, I know what this one is now. They already have messages for that, so I can actually get rid of Time Loop. Let's see what else we got going on. Crushed by Elevator, we have Lava. The original doesn't let you play with whatever costume you want? That's crazy. Well, you know, when playing God difficulty. Do the costumes give you special effects or something, and that's why? I've yet to beat God of War 1, so I don't know anything about, like, the costumes. Couldn't avoid the falling platform, flattened by machinery. That one's pretty funny. It was consumed by inner thought, couldn't return from the void. Oh, I don't know. I think I'd get rid of that one. Let's say it was lost in meditation. It was consumed by inner thought. Those are both pretty funny. It was sucked into a black hole. Couldn't escape the singularity. That's funny. That one's funny. It was crushed by gravity. I don't know how the fuck you die to a black hole in Outer Wilds, but I know it's possible. Was caught in a dream explosion, couldn't escape the blast. Was torn apart in a dream. Was trapped in a dreamscape, couldn't wake up. Oh, that's what dream type is. Okay. I know what dream type is now. Digestion, we know what that one is. Starved to death, ran out of food, couldn't find sustenance. None of these are true. Was swallowed by a fish. Let's see, supernova. Why is poisoned in here ingested toxins? Oh, that's why it's in here. Okay, get rid of this one. Now we're gonna rewrite it. Death type dot supernova. Couldn't escape the stellar explosion, was obliterated by a dying star. And then we have energy. It was burnt to a crisp, played with fire, got too hot to handle. Oh, that's probably what energy is then, when you get burned to death by the campfires. Okay. Asphyxiation. Jesus fucking Christ. Drowned, was swallowed by the sea. was drowned, was swallowed by the sea, couldn't hold their breath is pretty funny. Couldn't hold their breath is for impact, fell from a great height, took a nosedive, couldn't stick the landing. Those are pretty good. Okay, so instead now, when it comes to printing out the message, we're actually going to have it be random from list. Let's see, C# random string from list. So I think we have to create a variable. Yeah, var questions, yada yada, int index random dot next strings dot count. Last name var questions dot remove at index. Return questions. So that's how they did it, but you don't need to do the remove at console questions index. That should work. So if I have a dictionary with a bunch of lists, I just have to get... We just need to say... death messages. Death messages. That's what this one's called, right? Oh, we need to do outer craft, or we just do instance, I think. Nope, okay. Outer craft death messages dot death messages. Try to get value death type. Out list string messages. Okay. So we're gonna call this our message list equals this. So we want to do var message list equals this. And then from our message list, random equals new random, messages random dot next messages dot count. And then we print out the random message, and that should work, theoretically speaking. Alright, let's go back into here and open up our folder so I can just delete all of this. So first we're gonna uncheck it so it doesn't break anything. And now if we just delete, hop back into here and here, you should be able to right click, build. Okay, built 0 warnings, come back into here, and I should be able to play it. Let you skip all cutscenes. Oh, fuck yeah. Let's see, I missed some messages from you, sorry. They give you the special different facts like more orbs, etc., infinite magic, and lore ascension let you skip all the cutscenes. Nice! Okay. So if this worked, we should see... I'm gonna crush myself first. So theoretically speaking, if I crush myself, we should see one of the following messages. Never mind, we should... Oh, no, I'm gonna crush myself with the elevator, so we should either see was crushed by an elevator, couldn't avoid the falling platform, or was flattened by machinery printed in that log right above my head. Right behind my head, because my head's big. God, I hope this fucking works, because that would be so funny. Alright, time to crush ourselves with an elevator. Was crushed by an elevator. Okay, we got the first one. Let's see. Ah, shit, I can't skip this. I forgot to, install the General Enhancements mod, which lets you skip that. Okay. Let's try this again. I'm gonna try burning myself this time to see what happens. Is this the energy death? Alright, what death type, what death message do I get? I didn't get a death message. Son of a bitch. Okay. That must be default then. So death type default is when you die to fire. Assumedly. Okay. In that case, time to go back up. And we're gonna crush ourselves with an elevator again and see if we get a new message. Avoid the falling platform. Okay, which one was that? Damn, it's not getting random. It's going in order, I think. Random.next. So from messages, we get random.next message count. Okay. Let's see. So theoretically speaking, this might crash. After this one, if I die to the elevator again, it might crash, or it's just gonna loop back to the first message. I don't know which one's going to happen, though. But it's either gonna throw an exception error for, being out of range. We're either gonna get an exception error that says out of range. Okay, so yeah, we got the third message that time. So we want to change the code to actually be random. So that's the first thing I'm noticing, is we want to make it truly random. Not truly random, there's no such thing as true randomness, but at the moment it quite literally is not random at all. Okay, will this give the exception of out of range is the question. Ooh. God of War 2, but with God of War 3 graphics. Oh, shit! Oh, that looks nice. Okay. Time to get crushed. Okay, yeah, so it looped back to the start. Wait, no, that was random. Did I just get unlucky? Or not unlucky. I guess lucky. It depends on how you look at it. Okay, let's try it again. What message do I get this time? Okay, we got the first one. So it went first, second, third, second, first. Try it again to see if it's random. Or you know what, why don't I just look up what random.next does? Okay, so it does actually get random. It just gets random integers. Okay. Cool. Cool. Let's just make sure that is the case, though. Yep, okay, it's definitely completely random. Alright, next up is asphyxia. I fucking hate words. Because I need to see the difference between drowning. So, okay. So this is my theory. Not my theory, this is my thought process at the moment. We can do asphyxiation, and then we can do death type dot asphyxiation. Oh, maybe instead of doing it by death type, I don't know. It looks really fucking good. Honestly, yeah, it looks... It's hard to tell, but it looks just as good as God of War 3, probably. Texture-wise, at least. I think, obviously, lighting is still not as good, probably. But that's because it's running through a PS2 emulator, so it has to run on PS2 graphics quality of sorts to an extent, even when running on a PC. Okay, let's fly into space, and then I'm gonna take my spacesuit off and do a spacewalk. Yeah, was swallowed by the sea. So, what I'm trying to figure out is how I can have a difference between dying in space and drowning. You know, do you die because you can't breathe in space, or did you die because you're underwater and can't breathe? So based on that, I want to figure out, so like, I would change which list is done, which means I would have to rewrite this. Do I even want to fucking deal with that bullshit though? Because I think I would have to change this from a dictionary list to a dictionary list. And that would literally, and that change would literally only be useful for asphyxiation. I think.
Oh man, that was your boy D Bangs. Now you know you gotta stop sleeping now. I done put y'all on. That wasn't even all the heat that young.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna change it to being just couldn't hold their breath type stuff, where it's like it could be for space or it could be for water, but it's not gonna be specific to either. For now, at least. Anyways, I want to try Impact now. Actually, I wonder what the difference is. I'm gonna fly my spaceship into the ground at a really fast speed to see what happens. I don't know if that would count as impact or not. Bye, Quantum Moon. Bye, Quantum Moon. Okay. Actually, we should fly further out to make sure I get enough speed. And now we fly forward, crash our ship, and die. Because I still don't know what the fuck energy is. I don't know what death type energy is still. Oh, and yep, I'm dead. So what death type did I get? None. So that is death type default as well. So burning yourself and crashing your ship are both considered death type default. That is bad. Then assumedly impact would be hitting the ground too hard. Hopefully. Alright, so now we're gonna fly back to Timber Hearth and crash our body into the grass and die. I'm trying to not aim for the water, though to be fair, the water is too shallow to save me. Let's go! I took a nosedive that time. Which is the second one. How the fuck do you die to a black hole? I need to look through the Outer Wilds code to find how you can die to a fucking black hole. Okay, let's see. Whatever death types are there. Digestion, I can do that. Easy test. We just need to go to Dark Bramble and get eaten by a fish. Don't crash, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash. Wait. Oh, I think I know what energy is now. Okay, I have something to test after this. Oh, Quantum Moon. Bye, Quantum Moon. Alright. Time to say hi to your mom's fish. Ernesto, are you here? Come on, Ernesto, let's go. Where you at, Ernesto? Eat me, motherfucker. There you are, buddy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? I'm dead. Was swallowed by a fish. Cannot randomize play head unless audio source is playing. Interesting. Cannot set the parent of the game object prefab cloud exit Bramble Island while activating or deactivating the parent game object tornado fluid center. Interesting. Okay. Okay, I think I know what energy is though. Let me also look at these pictures real fast. Oh, that is a creepy ass image. That looks like a fucking Weeping Angel statue, dude. Damn, yeah, those textures are fucking good. Holy. Okay, so I need to put the spacesuit on and I need to go walk up towards some fucking ghost matter. I need to be consumed by the ghost matter. Oh, okay, it just took a while for me to die. Son of a bitch, that wasn't energy either. Okay, I give up. I don't know what energy death is. What could energy death be? And what is dark? Ghost matter is default too, isn't it? Son of a bitch. God damn it. I don't want to deal with this now. This is so stupid. Okay, so what happens if I fly into the sun? What death type do I get then? By Quantum Moon. I swear to God, I think flying to the sun is gonna be a default death as well, and I'm gonna fucking lose it if it is. God, what could energy death? It's the best way to experience the OG God of War games. Yeah. Swallow me, bitch. Played with fire, got too hot to handle, and was burnt by a crisp. Why did I get all three? I should have only gotten one of them. Why did I get all three? Okay. Apparently when flying into the sun, it kills the player 3 times. Why the fuck does it kill the player 3 times? What the actual shit, dude? What the fuck? What is this? What is happening? Oh no, it calls it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You die 5 times by flying into the sun, apparently. Let's test to make sure that's correct. Do I really die 5 times by flying into the fucking sun? Oh, this is interesting, and apparently if you get swallowed by an anglerfish, you also die 3 times when that happens. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? This game's like trying to piss me off. I swear to God, if I get 5 messages about me dying by flying into the sun, I'm gonna lose it. I got 5 messages again. Why? Why do I die 5 times when I fly into the sun? How the fuck do I fix that? Okay, is there a do once? C# do once? I could do a jump statement. You know what? I have an idea. I have an idea. Okay, I think I know how to fix this. Okay, we're gonna have to do another harmony prefix. Okay, if I add in another Harmony patch for Death Manager, I think, where I wait for the player to resurrect.
Oh well, I'm failing. All my endeavors slip right through my fingers, flailing. Still one crooked thought, it never fails to linger in my mind, like a moldy rotten rind on the ground without a vine. Could I already be past my prime? Whoa, now I'm falling, and the debtors and collectors, they keep calling. Will I ever reach a comfortable plateau? Man, I don't know. 'Cause the urge to leave my mark, it still grows. It never slows. Well, that's all for now. It's time to start the show. Here we go.
Let me look at this image. If it will make me fan. Oh shit. J. Jonah Jameson suit, nice.
Was great, they all participated. Could it be that I was fated for more?
Oh, nice. They already have the brand new day suit modded in. That's crazy. Oh, that's so cool. Amazing fantasy suit. Oh, that's cool. Neversoft. Oh, Neversoft. Oh my god. Shattered Dimensions. Oh, that's so fucking cool. Web of Shadows. Oh my god. Edge of Time suit. Oh my god, that's so fucking sick. Okay. I still have 2 slices of pizza to eat from my 40% off pizza I got. And I have ideas on how to fix this, but it's going to require a lot of bug fixing, and I don't know if I feel like doing that right now. Okay, I'm gonna just fix this real fast, actually, because I think I can do this pretty easily. Since I should be able. So is dead. Wait a minute.
Harder to be someone that you're not than to not be someone that you are. Take a walk around the block again.
That's how you get the paradox. That's how you get the time loop death. I see. See now.
But it's true the way down. You can laugh, you can cry, you can dance right in the aisles, but just walk down.
Okay, we need to find player data. Where? What is player data? It's not showing up. Oh god, there's so many player things. Oh brother, I got a lot to look through. Player body, camera controller, clone controller. Nice, there it is, player data. Found it. So, we just need to look for where we set that. Because we need to find the last death. Command F, let's just look up death, set last death, and get last death type. Let's go, found it. Okay, I now know how to fix my code to be better. We just take this, and instead of doing death manager, we replace this with player data. And we do player data dot get last death type. And I guess actually should we do set? Yeah, we should do set. Instead of get, we want to do set. And we want to do this instead. Oh wait, no. Yeah, we just get death. Will this work?
I mean, there is no true end in sight here. I did the math, and there are a lot of stupid Nintendo games.
In which case, we can also get rid of reset now, since this should theoretically only run once, I think.
Over 15,000 games to try to discuss and later shelve. The consistency alphabetically, and player's choice can go to
Okay.
hell.
Let's just build my code again.
For an hour or so I'll
And actually, I don't think I have to delete that. I think I could just build it. Oh, sorry, I stopped looking for a little bit. Let's see, where was I? Ultimate Spider-Man. Fuck yeah, classic suit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, the symbiote suit. Let's go. Sam Raimi symbiote suit. Web of Shadows Spider-Bro. Nice. The Amazing Spider-Man symbiote. Fuck yeah. Photorealistic. The Amazing Spider-Man suit. Nice. Let's see, and then we got Ultimate Spider-Man. Oh, fuck yeah. I feel like because of the big head, that one's gonna look really weird next to, like, the realistic characters. Ultimate Spider-Man, yeah. I feel like all the Ultimate Spider-Man ones are gonna look up. What in the name of God is that? Is that Black Cat?
They make for great target practice. As long as I'm
Why is her face fucked? Is that Black Cat with a Spider-Man face? What the fuck? Oh, it's just okay. Wait, what the fuck is wrong with her arm in that picture too? That fucking arm is broken. So it's just a skin for Black Cat, right? So that makes sense, and I like it. Okay. Oh, Web of Shadows, yeah. Did I already build this? I think I did. Let me do once again, just in case I didn't actually build it. Okay, now it's actually built. And now let's open up Outer Wilds Mod Manager and see if it crashes when I try to play my mod. I'll be very sad if it crashes. And we need to go back here, change it to get on. Okay, there we go. Okay. Back into Outer Wilds. Please, for the love of God, don't break. If this breaks, I'll be sad. Okay, yeah, we know that the fire death doesn't work, so our only death that we can really go for is, getting crushed by the elevator. That's the fastest death. Please don't break. Please don't break. It didn't break! Okay. We already know that the elevator only prints once, so we don't have to worry about that one. Now we're gonna try flying into the sun, and theoretically speaking, this should not print more than once. If it does, I will be very sad. Because that would mean my simple fix was not so simple. Into the sun we shall go. Sun station, don't you fucking dare stop my ship, bitch. They printed once. My simple fix worked. And theoretically speaking, people might be able to interface with this, because I did not make it a private void, I made it a public void. Which means that anybody who wants to add their own custom death types can do so And they can even edit this to add in their own death messages for their own mods. So now the last thing I need to do is find out how to add text to the player's screen that says how they died. How am I gonna do this? I think I might just steal this person's code. The Outer Wilds clock, I think I might just steal their code and just rewrite it to work with what I'm doing instead. Ugh. Okay. Okay. But for now, I think I'm done. I think I did enough. So I'm actually just gonna open up... Actually, I'm already on here, okay. So let's just go back to the stranger they... Actually, no, I want to keep the stranger they are open. Okay, so which one should I... Let's go with this one. So let's go here and create a new repository. Picture spectacular Spider-Man series in the show that you didn't even know. No, I noticed those. Because wasn't there the spectacular Spider-Man suit? Let's see, where was it? That's the J. Jonah Jameson suit. Amazing Fantasy, Shattered Dimensions. Where was it? I know that I saw them. I might not have said anything though. Oh yeah, the classic suit, Spectacular. That's the one that I was thinking of. Yeah, I saw that. I don't think I said anything, so my bad. Alright, create a new repository. Repository name will be... What the fuck? Redesigned Octo Lamp. What is an Octo Lamp? Anyways. What I shall call this is... Okay, I guess I'll do that. What was I gonna call this mod again? Outer Craft Death Messages. Yeah, I guess that is the easier way of doing it. So instead of doing it here, I do believe I have GitHub Desktop already. I do indeed. It is a very underrated show. Right. Create new. Is that what they said to do? Once open, you want to select file and local repository. Add local, choose path, and I want to go with outercraft death messages. Select and add repository. Oh, yeah, I didn't know that either, actually. Markdown list. Okay, yeah, I thought so. Okay, yeah, so for, numbered list, I just do that. Well, fair enough, I guess. But I'm gonna make it look interesting by not doing that, and so we're gonna do dash. So the roadmap will be...
Tried so hard and got so far and now I can't decide. All my life I've given my career. These numbers in my head keep on spinning round and round, yeah. I can only guess what's right. Should I stay 3 more years just to waste away? Become a slave to all these numbers. It's overdue, all the stress, yeah, to say I'm fine. Working overtime, trying to finish this in time. Got myself into this mess, can I really pass this test? Yeah, XYZ, teach me how to breathe. I'm suffocating deep inside, I can't deny I've tried to quit. All my life I've failed to be the one to meet these expectations. All my life I've tried, now all the stress to fill those answers. A, B, C, finding all these numbers. differentiate, it's getting old, yeah. 5, 4, 3, finding all these numbers. Calculate, no mistake, it's getting old, yeah. I can only guess what's right. Should I stay 3 more years just to waste away? Become a slave to all these numbers. It's overdue, all the stress, yeah, to say I'm fine. Tried so hard and got so far and now I can't decide. All my life I've given my career. These numbers in my head keep on spinning round and round, yeah. I can only guess what's right. Should I stay 3 more years just to waste away? Become a slave to all these numbers. It's overdue, all the stress, yeah, to say I'm fine. Tried so hard and got so far and now I can't decide. All my life I've given my career. These numbers in my head keep on spinning round and round, yeah. I can only guess what's right. Should I stay 3 more years just to waste away? Become a slave to all these numbers. It's overdue, all the stress, yeah, to say I'm fine.
Let me just make sure that that checks out. Does it look the same? Release.zip. Son of a bitch. Shit. I did something wrong.
To be the one to meet these expectations all my life I've tried. Now all the stress to fill those answers. A, B, C, finding all these numbers. Integrate, differentiate, it's getting old, yeah. 5, 4, 3, finding all these numbers. Calculate, no mistake, it's getting old, yeah. I can only guess what's right. Should I stay 3 more years just to waste away? Become a slave to all these numbers. It's overdue, all the stress, yeah, to say I'm fine.
Oh, it's creating it right now. Okay, I see. Oh, I see. Oh. Well, there it is. It's done. Let's go! It worked! I don't believe they do numbers in the names anymore, right? Yep, okay. And now the thumbnail. Okay, time to make my own thumbnail. Jimmy. Actually, we're not gonna do it through here, we're gonna do it through, Jesus Christ, I have so much open. Paint.net. Paint.net. So we're gonna do new 1920 by 640.
Turns into night. Smoking a doob, hey stoners. Watching the tube, hey stoners. Eat all my food, hey stoners. Calling me dude. I only smoke it late at night when I'm stressed. Just on the rough days when I feel a little anxious. Sometimes on weekends if my friends are in town. You see, I don't smoke that much, especially when it's not around. Watching cartoons, hey stoners. Sucking balloons, hey stoners. What'd you forget, hey stoners? Alright, give me a hit. I'm not a stoner, I just like to get high. Ain't like it ever take control of my life. Why is everybody on my case? Why don't you get the hell out of my face? Giving me shit, just leave me alone. You're freaking me out and I need to get stoned. I can't keep a thought straight. Why am I always running late? No, I can't remember that thing that I forgot. Huh? Lost in your head, hey stoners. Eyes always red, hey stoners. Hiding your pain, hey stoners. This is your brain.
Oh no.
Caught by myself, put a lifetime on a shelf, giving up just cause another gave up long
This is not
ago
good.
and shut herself inside a paper tomb.
Okay, we're back.
She wrote of pending doom, penning lies that would be faced, but then always she'd erase. Taking another's fall, saving
Expo.
another's wall. Gotta beat this thing that's got me, but I know I'm gonna stop me.
Gotta go Gaussian blur.
Days I'll find a way to make it through.
Now we're gonna add text. We're gonna look for our fonts that I've added. I forgot what they were fucking called, but I know that they had space in their name.
Drip down the drain, drinking up another's pain. Slip into the fate I see. Welcome all I hate and be. Come nothing, turn upon myself. As she locks away my shelf. Feeding on a deadly potion. For my misguided devotion. Taking another's fall. Saving another's wall. Gotta beat this thing that's got me, but I know I'm gonna stop me. One of these days I'll find a way.
I can't resize it. My god, why do all of these suck ass? Okay, we're going back to Canva then. Realize it must be true.
You won't climb up, so I'll just slide down. You'll call it love when you see me on the ground. I'll fix it all though. You wait and see. I'll put an end to the things I do to me. Taking another's fall. Saving another's wall. Gotta beat this thing that's got me, but I know I'm gonna stop me. One of these days I'll find a way. Find a way to make it through. And one of these times I'll realize it must be true. Oh, and one of these days I'll find a way to make it through. Oh, and one of these times I'll realize it must be true. Yeah, one of these nights it'll be alright. Be alright. Be alright.
My favorite poem was the one I read to you. For the teleprompter on the tongue of my shoe. My flashback saw a touch more resolute. Declaring done
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can't use my own custom font that I've added. Because I added an Outer Wilds one.
just promise you'll take it all a cut.
Yep.
Take it all, just don't take it all to heart. They go return the lights out, they got take it, take me all apart. You can have my tongue, just promise you'll take it all a cut.
I love free trials.
Just don't take it all to heart. They go return the lights out, they got and what I never knew. I'd rather be inside my head than you. How many times will I quit?
Let's go, baby. I love me a free twerk. Ah, you son of a bitch. There we go. Okay, so let's lower the size to 83.
So forgive me for the hesitant salute. Take it all down, take me all apart. You can have my tongue if you take it all apart.
And let's just make sure if I open up the stranger they are. That's what that one looks like. Maybe I'll add a glow to mine. Let's make it orange and add a glow. Alright, looks good to me. And now we need to find a place to post it, so let's go with, make sure it actually loads. Or you know what, I guess, you know what, let's do it different. There's a better way of doing this. We're just gonna add a file. Nope. Upload file.
I mean, there is no true end in sight here.
I'm gonna upload our
And there
thumbnail PNG.
are a lot of stupid Nintendo games. There's no excuse now. Everybody should have no life.
Over 15,000 games to try to discuss.
changes.
Later shelf. The consistency.
There we go.
Alphabetically, and player's choice can go to hell. The size and shape of discs and cards for an hour.
And now we just take this and we go to here and we do this.
My thumbs are stems, 'cause every day
And we're gonna tag it as gameplay.
they all think we play motions a sin, but it's their loss for they got no spare time to waste. This is something I know we should all embrace.
DLC is probably required.
All the requests, please understand this kind of stuff is virginetic cache. We have been blessed, no time to rest. I've got a lot to undress. You don't need sex, this is better anyways. It's stupid Nintendo games.
It may be hard to find a place to start, so might I suggest? Not bad.
Okay.
Might I suggest
Create it.
to start things out, then moving
God,
on to pack
this is so
and roll.
stupid.
Lost in Blue and Tetris 2, or whatever's left at Kohl's. Nigel Mansell plus Clubhouse Games.
Let me post about this in the Discord real fast. The Outer Wilds modding Discord.
Get the fuck out of my face. Tell me that you understand.
As a vegan, this fits my diet plan.
They make for great target tracks.
As long as I'm not having sex. You didn't tell me what he's supposed to fucking guess.
I shouldn't dwell. I've got no sex to sell. Take them all and distribute them, and you're spreading we play. It's a swell, these extra copies, extra ban you from hell. I've got a Flink Smash to play every single day. Stupid Nintendo games. I might be slightly obsessed. How could I not be? Have you seen these? I've got no shame to blame. If you're down and feeling blue when life drops in around you, there's a solution for all that pollution to in your brain. Stupid Nintendo games.
This was such a stupid idea. But I am hopeful in being able to finish this with another, like I'm gonna stop streaming for now so I can finish my pizza and probably get some sleep. But I will be back later. Because I want to at least add text that displays. And then I might try to add achievements plus integration as well, but I'm not really sure. Actually, mark down checkbox. Aha! So let's edit this real fast.
No contemplation, find a way inside. No hesitation, take another ride. One more vacation, run away and hide.
Commit changes. There we go. I need to add space, don't I? I needed to add a space. Okay, I'm stupid. Good to know. Space, space, and space. Commit changes. Let's go, baby. Okay, checkboxes have been added now. Ugh. Bow, 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 now. Love this song. 1 second. This is the background image that we see on the now playing widget I have. I had a feeling that was the case. Hurts so bad, so bad. Absolute banger, baby. Legit love this fucking song. I actually had this playing on loop when it first came out because I love it. Okay, so I need to rewrite it to turn it into an API. Because I want to be able to allow people to add their own messages and whatnot to this list. So like they can add their own death type and a message for that death type. So I'm gonna rewrite this code to allow people to update this through an API. And then using that API, they'd be able to, do things. Because, for instance, this one is an API, I do believe. Like, if we go into here, we should be able to see, because this added achievements. Here we go, CI achievements. And if we go into the actual code for this one, test achievement. Here we go, yeah. So they have a register, which is an achievement tracker. So achievement tracker is the actual thing that does it. Unique, secret, and mod. So they add a unique ID. Okay, let's look back at Stranger They Are is where I'm already at. So string unique ID. So they add this in, and then instance. So when it comes to actually adding achievements, Is there anywhere else that this appears? It doesn't look like it, which is interesting. Earn achievement might show up elsewhere. It doesn't. Are we sure it doesn't? I think that's bullshit. I don't believe that for a second. This has to, like, there has to be achievements in here. Let's search up. Found it. That was easy. Okay, never mind. That was not what I wanted to look for. Achievement. Bullshit. Bullshit, that's the only one. Because that's just not true. Is it in systems? No. What am I... What? I'm missing something. Did I see Minecraft? I think I saw Mineral, and I read that as Minecraft because I was scrolling really fast. Okay. Here it is. Mod helper interaction. Try to get mod. Zen is who made it. Is that true? It is true. So far. So it checks to see if you have this loaded. But it doesn't do anything with this, so how do you earn the achievements? Is there only one achievement? Because it looks like the way it works is we have this set condition state, which also exists in here. TSTA red pilled. Okay, there's our other achievement, I assume. Ghostbusters. Seems to be another achievement. And then Sudor Murph There's another one. So let's disable mine. And let's add in the Achievements Plus mod to see what all the achievements are, to double check. We're gonna compare and contrast. Because the idea is, if I am correct, and all of those are the achievements, then that tells me how I'm supposed to add the achievements mod to my own mod. And that will make it a lot easier. So I wonder how this part is added. Wait a minute. With how low quality this is is separate from the original Outer Wilds. Oh, interesting. Okay, but I should get achievements right here. It's the There's the New Horizon achievement. Use your ship's warp. Oh, true. Okay. 9 hidden achievements. Thanks. Okay, so there's 9 achievements, but I only found 4 of them. Unless I have an idea here. This all or nothing achievement.
No, I don't wanna go, 'cause I'm just saying no, 'cause I know that I just can't take it. And
1, 2, 3, 4. I only see 4, but this says there's 9. Son of a bitch. And the other thing would be for the achievements. There'd have to be assets for them. Here we go. So this is all or nothing. So we have this one. Aha! This is probably another achievement one. 1, 2. Oh, well, you know what, actually? I just realized something. New Horizons. This one has Achievements Plus integration as well. So I should be able to find the achievement stuff in here, other mods. Achievement Plus, Achievement Handler, Achievement Info. So this is how they add the achievements. Or not. Oh, this is just the code. Oh, this is just the code for Achievements Plus. Okay, never mind then. Because New Horizons apparently has its own set of achievements in here. Talk to 5 characters. So if I check main, let's try that. Okay, let's try looking up achievements. New Horizon component achievement. Achievements Plus NH. So that's all in other mods, but components right here. Achievement. Okay, let's see. Does this at least tell me how to do it? Yes, it does. Add this code to your mod for the Achievement Plus API. To then access it, you do achievement this. Okay. So then be sure to register achievements and add their translations in the start method of your mod so that they are set up immediately. Okay, so if we check... son of a bitch. Okay, but theoretically, if I now check the stranger they are, GitHub, we should see that in their start method, they should have it then. So we just need to look for start. Or they have this initialized. Is that all I need to do? Translations and start method of your mods so that they are set up immediately. The unique ID field for your achievement should be unique not only to in your mod but among all mods. For example, if I were to add an achievement to New Horizons, the Horizons.5 planets. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Okay, I don't think I have an idea. Alright, how the fuck do I get this one? I don't even remember how to do that one. Nice. Nice. So this is the unique name they gave it.
This one's gonna hurt, and this one's gonna bleed. It's gonna take everything I got, but it's the only thing I need. And this one's gonna sting, but it should help you all to see we would give up everything. It means everything to me. So let it fucking hurt, let it fucking bleed, let it take everything I got. It's the only thing I need, and let it fucking sting. It should help you all to see we would give up everything. It means everything to me. So let it fucking hurt.
Okay, I don't understand this fucking achievements mod anymore. I actually don't understand it. How do I add my achievements? I don't understand. Okay, Forgotten Castaways has achievements. Let's see if their code is more understandable. If not, I will cry. Okay, so that's their translations for the achievements. I hate everything. So, why did they do this? But the other person didn't. I think I know the answer. I think I know the answer to that. If I'm correct about this, I'm going to kill somebody. Okay. Okay, I don't understand it. But this is understandable. I still don't fucking understand how the stranger they are added their achievements. But I'm just not even gonna try to figure that out. Why are some of these set to true instantly, and some of them aren't? Oh, that's if it's a secret. Oh, I see now. Okay. Okay, I understand it. Well, now that I understand how to add the achievements, I'm gonna stop here. And I'll continue with this later, with adding the achievements and adding... So I'm gonna start by adding text to the player's screen upon their death. And then afterwards, once I have that working, I'll set up the Achievements API. And I also need to turn my own thing into an API. so that people can update the list of death messages. So yeah, that's all I gotta do. Once I do that, I will be happy. And it will be my first official Outer Wilds mod. So with that